Mastering mathematics, how to become proficient in math. Hello, math enthusiasts and aspiring mathematicians. Do you find yourself struggling with math and yearn to become a math wizard? You're in the right place. In this video, we're going to explore a step-by-step guide on how to excel in mathematics and become confident in your skills. Whether you're a student or someone looking to improve their math knowledge, these tips will help you on your mathematical journey. Let's dive in. Step 1. Build a strong foundation. The first step in mastering math is to ensure you have a solid foundation in the basics. Review fundamental concepts such as arithmetic, fractions, decimals, and basic algebra to ensure you have a strong understanding. Step 2. Practice regularly. Math is like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it becomes. Practice regularly by solving math problems, working through exercises, and tackling real-world math challenges. Step 3. Understand the why. Don't just memorize formulas and equations, strive to understand the why behind each concept. When you understand the underlying principles, you'll find it easier to apply them to various problems. Step 4. Seek help when needed. Don't be afraid to seek help when you encounter challenging topics. Reach out to teachers, tutors, or online resources for assistance. Asking questions and seeking clarification is a crucial part of the learning process. Step 5. Use online resources. The internet is a treasure trove of math resources. Explore online tutorials, educational websites, and math-related forums to find explanations, practice problems, and additional learning materials. Step 6. Break down complex problems. When tackling complex math problems, break them down into smaller, manageable steps. This approach makes problem solving less daunting and helps you grasp each component. Step 7. Teach others. One of the best ways to solidify your understanding of math is to teach it to others. Explain math concepts to friends, family, or even an imaginary audience. Teaching reinforces your own knowledge. Step 8. Stay organized. Keep your math notes and materials organized. A well-organized system will save you time and make it easier to review or locate resources when needed. Step 9. Embrace a growth mindset. Adopt a growth mindset, believing that your abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. A positive attitude can boost your confidence and motivation. Step 10. Practice, practice, practice. Ultimately, the key to becoming proficient in math is practice. Regular practice will reinforce your skills and build your confidence. Mathematics is a skill that can be mastered with dedication and the right approach. By building a strong foundation, practicing regularly, seeking help when needed, and maintaining a positive mindset, you can unlock the world of mathematical possibilities. If you found these tips helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more math-related content, and share your own math success stories in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and here's to your mathematical journey of excellence.